How's it going, everyone? So doing the morning walk again while I shoot the video, so it's pretty good. We're actually about to get the sunrise here, so you might get a bit of a view here. So there's like a cool little beach and up the other way. It's actually a little shipwreck there, over there as well. Anyway, so Muln Automotive put out a bit of PR this morning around their battery testing. And honestly, on the surface, it is positive. The batteries performed better than they were expecting, and they're suggesting that there might be an improved range from 190 miles to 210 miles. So that's a big positive, and that's coming up from 110 miles, which is what the current range of the vehicles are with the externally produced battery packs. So that's all good, and it did bump the needle on the stock a little bit initially. However, we have fallen back down, and we were actually at one point trading just below $7, so in the $6 range. At the time of filming, we're back above $7, which, not great. It seems to be that $7 is holding up as a key point of lower resistance. So, not great. That's like 7 cents pre the last reverse stock split. So, not too good. Now, I think what's probably happened is the market has kind of actually let the news around the battery packs sink in a bit, and what that means is the test they've only done, it sounds like they've only done one test. If you look at the promotional video they put out, I'll attach that at the end of this video. Only done one test on over a 10-mile range and have projected that the battery will be able to get to 210 miles, which, that's good, and the battery is producing more output, but it's only one test. It's only a small scale test, so I feel like there needs to be more data gathered. But it was a positive first test, that's for sure. So you have to give Mullen some props, because that was positive. But I wouldn't be coming out and celebrating that we're going to have a 210 mile range just yet. I'd wait to see further testing, and they said it is very early on in the testing of these batteries. So hopefully it means a better vehicle in the long term, and a greater synergy in costs associated with producing vehicles, and not being reliant on having to buy battery packs. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on the PR. Do you think they are overstating the value of the battery packs at this point in time by saying that 210 miles is now what they might be getting, or do you think that is actually quite achievable with what they're trying to do with the technology? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'll play the PR from Muln Automotive right now, and have a great day. Cheers.
Today's solid-state battery road test is part of Mullen's solid-state battery development and testing protocol. The road test was preceded by lab testing of the pack to test basic performance. Those tests were completed in late December. Mullen's solid-state battery testing plan includes measurement of voltage, current draw, state of charge under load, and battery behavior as it relates to temperature of cells under driving conditions.
Today is February 26, 2024, and we installed a 72.5 kilowatt-hour solid-state battery pack into the Mullen 1 cargo van for the next phase of testing. For today's test, we will drive approximately 10 miles at a constant highway speed. We also have 2 monitors in the vehicle, one for mapping and one to capture vehicle speed, battery current, battery state of charge, and battery temperature.
We monitored the battery performance throughout the road test. The battery state of charge was 83.6% at the start of the test. At 3 miles, the state of charge was 82%, and the battery current was 160 amps. Battery temperature was 19 degrees Celsius, and the vehicle operated at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. At mile 7, the battery current remained constant at 160 amps. Battery temperature was constant at 19 degrees Celsius, and the vehicle continued to operate at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour, with the state of charge at 80%. At 10 miles, the battery current was stable at 160 amps. Battery temperature remained unchanged at 19 degrees Celsius, and the state of charge after driving 10 miles at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour was 79%. The test determined that the pack provided the required consistent voltage required to power the vehicle with the same performance as the current production vehicle pack. The efficiency of the cells and pack were higher than the production of the lithium iron phosphate cells in the current pack, as expected. Today's test determined that the pack provided the required consistent voltage and current to power the vehicle with the same performance as the current production vehicle. With the solid-state battery in the same form factor package as the production pack, and with higher energy density, the range experienced was in excess of the originally forecasted 186 miles. The result of Mullen's solid-state battery early road testing test was very positive and encouraging. The test plan will continue with additional lab, dyno, and additional road testing.